Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down the technical details of the internet and how it all works. Today, we're going to be talking about the Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, or TCP, IP for short. TCP, IP is the foundation of internet data transfer, similar to a postal system for the digital world. All information, including emails, phone calls, and video streaming, is sent and received through TCP, IP. TCP, IP works by breaking down information into packets which are sent from a computer to a server and reassembled on the other end for reading. It is known as packet switching. Now, let's break down the two parts of TCP, IP, the Transmission Control Protocol and the Internet Protocol. The Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, is responsible for making sure that all of the packets are sent in the right order and that they all make it to their destination. It also checks for errors and resends any packets that didn't make it. The Internet Protocol, or IP, is responsible for routing the packets to their correct destination. It does this by using IP addresses, which are like a digital mailing address for a computer or server. So when sending an email, the message is broken down into packets and sent via the internet. IP addresses ensure that packets are sent to the correct server, and TCP ensures packets are assembled in the correct order and reach their destination. TCP, IP is a complex system that ensures that all of the information that you send and receive over the internet gets to the right place at the right time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about TCP, IP, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.